I wonder if you are interested in finance. I'm just kidding. Now I'm not going to talk about financial investments but about a curiosity that costs a lot. The most expensive substance on Earth, 1 gram costs $62.5 trillion. Antimatter, often presented in the world of science fiction, is not only an element of fiction, but also an interesting reality. Known as the most expensive substance on Earth, with a price tag of approximately $62.5 trillion per gram, antimatter raises many fascinating questions. But what is antimatter and why is it so valuable? And the most expensive substance in the world? In the fascinating world of subatomic particles, protons, electrons, and neutrons are the main actors. In 1930, the physicist Paul Dirac made a significant contribution to this field, anticipating the existence of anti-electrons or positrons. These particles, which have the same mass as electrons but an opposite charge, have opened new horizons to the mysterious world of antimatter. Antimatter may seem like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's a real component of our universe. Universe that surrounds us since we were created on this earth, yet humanity does not know it. Each particle has a corresponding antiparticle, and when they meet, they annihilate each other, generating a huge amount of energy according to Einstein's famous equation, E=mc²². Simply put, antimatter is like a mirror of the matter we know, made up of particles that look like ordinary ones but have opposite charges. When matter and antimatter meet, they release a huge amount of energy. How antimatter is produced? The CERN particle accelerator in Geneva is an amazing achievement of modern engineering and physics. This complex machine, which stretches about 27 kilometers in circumference and is equipped with more than 9,300 magnets, is capable of accelerating particles to astonishing speeds. To do this, the accelerator consumes a huge amount of electricity. Producing antimatter involves manipulating the simplest form of matter, hydrogen, to create antihydrogen, which is the equivalent of antimatter. However, antimatter is extremely difficult to manipulate due to its annihilating properties when it comes into contact with regular matter. In recent years, researchers have made significant progress in slowing down and preserving antihydrogen for short periods of time, an important step in the exploration of this fascinating branch of science. Why is antimatter so expensive? Antimatter is incredibly expensive due to the complex process and advanced technology involved in its production. At the heart of this process is the CERN particle accelerator in Geneva, a massive and complex machine that accelerates particles to very high speeds approaching the speed of light. Also, handling antimatter is a challenge because it annihilates quickly when it comes into contact with regular matter. These aspects, along with the energy costs, contribute to the fact that antimatter is the most expensive substance on Earth. Can antimatter be a weapon? The question is asked because, unfortunately, all the discoveries are used in the army and the devil-killing industry. Antimatter is a tremendous source of energy and theoretically speaking, it could be used in the military field. However, so far, stabilizing antimatter has been a big headache for researchers. Specialists at CERN are working hard to find ways to contain and control the substance effectively. If these obstacles were overcome, antimatter could become a formidable source of energy for the general population, but also the most powerful weapon on Earth, unfortunately. Thank you for watching, God bless you.